Hello and welcome to this setup and customization video for SecureDrive BT. In this video, we will be covering how to unlock the drive with an Apple Watch. To enable this feature, make sure SecureData Lock is installed on your Apple Watch. Next, make sure that the app is open on your mobile device and that the drive is unlocked. Now tap the drive name to access settings and turn on the Enable Apple Watch feature. Start SecureData Lock on your Apple Watch. You should now be able to lock and unlock the drive from your watch. Your Apple Watch feature is now enabled. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.